What's up, everybody? Welcome to what I think is going to be the last Team Loyalty Live, which is kind of sad in itself. I'm just kicking my shoes off. My shoes, just kicking those off. And sitting back and saying, hello, what's up? Kaise ho aap? I'm Nikhil. I like to introduce myself before every live, as you know. And doing some work in Mumbai, hanging out at the hotel room. And we're going to try and add all our Team Loyalty boys and girls. Firstly, let's say hello to everybody who's joining us. Ajay. Prakhar is here. Hey, Prakhar's always here, man. How are you, Prakhar? Thank you for all of your support during the roadies journey. And it's amazing to know you. And I think we're going to be friends for a very long time. So it's really cool. And we're just going to add our team loyalty members depending on who's here. Because Hamid already told me that he's busy today. तो वो कहीं भागने जा रहा है या जा रहा है, उसको काम है. And we're going to see whether we can add him on for a short while. But in the meantime, Arushi is here. And I think Prakhar is here as well. So let's see. Is it fixed-ish? Not working out very well. Trying to add something. Yo! What's up?
Hey! Congratulations!
Congratulations to you! We're all team
Finally.
loyalty, all one.
Finally, we won.
I know. It was really cool. ये अंधेरे में कौन है?
बस एक से रुक जाइए. आज अभी बस घर वापस जस्ट आया हूँ मैं.
ये क्या कर रहा है तू अंधेरे में?
I'm just switching on the lights अभी.
लोग कुछ गलत सोचने लग जाएंगे.
No. I was just switching on the lights. How were you, sir?
Very good, man. पहले प्रखर से पूछते हैं. प्रखर, how did you find the finale?
It was amazing, sir. It was amazing. We couldn't be a part of it. We couldn't witness it, but कोई बात नहीं. जो भी देखा, it was amazing. Hamid was on fire. बस थोड़ा बुरा माइकल के लिए लगा क्योंकि माइकल को अगर वो क्यू कार्ड जिसका नीचे गिर गया था, that was not in his hands. It was just the luck wasn't with him.
It was in his hands. अगर उसके हाथ नहीं था तो फिर किसके हाथ में था?
किसके हाथ में था?
उसी के हाथ
वो
में.
माइकल
के अंदर था.
के बुरा क्यों लग रहा है? He's
मुझे
second.
माइकल के लिए बुरा इसलिए लगा क्योंकि वो लगातार गिरते रहा. We didn't show him.
हाँ.
That last time that he fell, na, that was the third time that he fell.
Yeah.
It's gonna look amazing. What an amazing episode, sir. What an amazing episode. And it ended all well for us.
I saw a comment that somebody made that, there were team loyalty had 11 versus 2, and then it became like it kept going down, and then 2 versus 1, and then team loyalty won with one leg. On one leg.
That's funny. Yeah.
I think it's a very funny comment. But you can see Hamid was limping all the way through. He was like from the beginning of the task when he went and attached his VOOC 4.0 charger.
Yeah, he was limping.
He
And he was
said
in so much pain. He was just on painkillers the entire time. I think for 2 or 3 days he was just on painkillers. तभी उसका वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी दिखा प्रिंस के सामने. तभी उसका थोड़ा परफॉर्मेंस की तरफ फोकस ज्यादा लगा. Because he just forgot about everything. He was just focusing on the task or the.
After a while.
He even said ना कि आज पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक लंगड़ा रोडी जीत रहा है. He even said that ना.
Yeah, he said that
I
as well.
saw your story, sir. It was really sweet of Tajland and to send that bouquet and the cake.
That's really sweet. Yeah, the bouquet is still there.
Gifts of them by them.
There's the bouquet. There's the bottle of wine. I've opened some of it. I've drunk some of it last night.
That's really sweet.
You missed a lot. You missed a lot though.
I know, man. You guys look like you're having so much fun. I mean,
it was. The party was really fun.
Did you give Hamid birthday bumps?
But we missed you.
We missed you, but
no. No.
I know it wasn't his birthday. I'm trying to add Mikey, man, but Mikey and his internet. It's just like, dude, kya yaar, Michael? So I actually want to ask like a bunch of fun questions during this live to everyone. So while we're waiting for Michael to come on, I'm just going to start asking some random questions and just come up with fun answers or whatever comes into your mind. Okay.
Okay.
One of the things that I actually wanted to ask was, what was the most um, what was the most unexpected thing that you found about roadies? कि जब आप आते हो ना शो में कि आप कुछ ना कुछ तो सोच के आते हो कि ऐसा होगा या वैसे होगा या लोग ऐसे होंगे, हमारे टेंट्स ऐसे होंगे, खाना ऐसा होगा, जगह ऐसी होगी. What was the most unexpected thing? Oh, Mike is on a call. He's going to join in a bit.
So
What
if I
fun.
start with it, the most
Mhm.
unexpected thing was कि इस साल gangs नहीं थे. इस साल people were on their own. No matter how the gangs मतलब
यार
कितने भी आप लोग को
ये आंसर कुछ
थोड़ा
ज्यादा ही फिलोसॉफिकल हो गया कि मैं कह रहा
the
हूँ कि इस
gangs
साल मैंने
like
सोचा कि साबुन नहीं होगा मगर हमारे पास इतना सारा साबुन था. You know, like something as basic as that.
सर फर्स्ट को फॉर मी इट वाज गैंग्स का क्योंकि हमेशा तो देखता हूँ रोडीज गैंग्स में हुआ है. दूसरी बात से मुझे लगता था कि लाइक लेमन ऑडियंस की यार रोडीज में तो बस शूटिंग के लिए टेंट्स में रुकाते होंगे वरना तो होटल होटल होते होंगे. बट सर इट वाज लाइक स्टिल अ शॉक टू मी कि टेंट्स वर फॉर रियल. वी एक्चुअली लिव्ड इनसाइड द टेंट्स एंड सर उसके अंदर कीड़े मकोड़े. मैं तो कम रहा हूँ, इन लोगों को ज्यादा पता होगा. कीड़े आ रहे, मकोड़े आ रहे रात में, बिच्छू आ रहे रात में, टेंट्स जल रहे हैं.
टेंट्स में पानी था, टेंट्स जल रहे हैं.
हाँ सर एक टेंट जल गया ना.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Shit, I forgot about that.
पानी होता था पर इतना गर्म नहीं होता था बिकॉज ऋषिकेश में हम वी वर राइट नेक्स्ट टू द रिवर बेड नेक्स्ट टू द रिवर. तो उस समय ठंड तो बहुत थी एंड इट वाज अ स्ट्रगल टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग बिकॉज हमारा कॉल टाइम भी इतना सुबह होता था टू टेक अ बाथ एंड देन रश फॉर द टास्क. एक ऑलरेडी टास्क का स्ट्रेस, ऊपर नहाने का स्ट्रेस. तो हाँ वो चीज एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं थी. आई वुड से मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा अनएक्सपेक्टेड वाज हाउ रियल द गेम वाज. लाइक टीवी पे जब हम देखते हैं वी सी कि अच्छा ठीक है लोग इतना ओवर रिएक्ट नहीं
स्क्रिप्टेड
किया
होगा,
जरूरत
ये
है
तो
या
पूरा स्क्रिप्टेड है,
हाँ
काशी जीतने
कि
वाला है.
कि उसने इतना ही तो बोला, इतना गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है, या मतलब यू नो वी हैव दैट मेंटालिटी कि यार इतना क्या हो गया. बट देन व्हेन यू एंटर दैट बिकॉज दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन अ रियलिटी शो ऑफ कोर्स एंड एवरीबॉडी एल्स इज आल्सो इट वाज बहुत ज्यादा you get too involved in the game that I didn't expect myself to get so much involved in the game and to be
Yes.
so close to certain people and not so close to other people. It just became a part of my life for those 14 days
It
in
takes
the
over,
Irish
यार.
state.
It takes over your
Yes.
life. You know, the first journey that I went on, हम झांसी में थे उस टाइम पे और एक शुरू में एक टास्क था जहाँ पे हमें अपने गैंग मेंबर्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करना था और उनपे हम पेंट लगा रहे थे based on some photographs that were on top of them and they were behind a wall and they were all covered. So I got a lot of the answers right on that one. And I had come into roadies at that point in time thinking ki yaar, I'm going to be chill, you know, I'm an older guy, I'm mature, I don't lose my temper, I don't get angry. और पहले ही टास्क में कुछ आगे पीछे हो गया था. ये टास्क की जो सेटिंग होता ना वहां पे एक बैरियर था and that barrier was moving and some of the roadies were getting an advantage by pushing the barrier and going closer to the target. And at that point in time, when my gang was getting a disadvantage, I lost my mind. And like in a fraction of a second, I lost my mind. And then I'm stopping myself and going, what the fuck just happened? Why am I getting so angry? You get so involved in the game. It's crazy. Crazy.
Yeah.
It's very
So
hectic also, you know.
that was
Those
one thing for
14
me.
days, so much pressure
क्योंकि
on you कि यार
शुरू में भी ड्यूरिंग वोट आउट्स ड्यूरिंग टास्क चलो ठीक है हर बंदा अपना 100% देने की कोशिश करता है बट ड्यूरिंग वोट आउट्स आई वाज लाइक ठीक है एक शो है एक गेम है बट देन लेटर ऑन इट वाज लाइक टू मच. हे माइक,
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
finally in
Mikey.
Bangalore.
Yes, finally in Bangalore.
How was the
Relax.
party?
Mikey, nice
Are you
shirt.
still
Thank
Mikey,
you, thank
what's
you.
up? Are you still vibing? Are you still vibing?
No, bro. No. I am like chilling now.
I am still vibing.
How badly hungover
Oh.
were you, Mike? I saw a picture of you the morning after Hamid's party. Like, hoodie on, glasses
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, that's what. But yeah, so it took some time to wake up, but then after that I was good to go.
Good to go. Yet another round of tasks.
Okay, listen, same question for
Oh,
you.
man.
Did you hear the question that I was asking Arushi and Prakhar?
Yeah, what was the strangest thing?
Yeah, what was the strangest thing? Like, what was the most unexpected thing about roadies?
I mean, the tents were a little lackluster. So I was like taken aback because
Lackluster! Like, what? Where did you think you were
You
going? Love Island?
luxury, luxury.
Lackluster.
Oasis, why?
Man,
Welcome to Oasis.
you have to know that I had no idea what I was getting into. I had no idea what I was getting into.
But what did he?
So it was
What did he think was going to happen in the tents? Like,
I don't know. I thought that the tents and all are just for show or something.
And then
Same
there's a
here.
hidden door to a room.
Yeah, then we go to hotels, then वहाँ पे रुकते होंगे, but tent सिर्फ show के लिए होता है. So I have a question.
Yeah, that's what.
I have a very basic question. ये रोडीज वालों को मटकों से क्या प्यार है? मटके बहुत इस सीजन बहुत आए हैं, बहुत मटके आए हैं सर.
it's an Indian show. देसी element है. शायद इसलिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. पता नहीं.
Yeah. Man, I'm the only one who had
जब
to
मटके
break
फूटते हैं
10.
ना तो एक अलग ही मजा आता है उसमें. और जब नहीं फूटते ना
हाँ, आया मजा.
जब नहीं फूटते निकल सर मेरे को
बहुत सारा मजा आया.
brothers come from two different मटकास that don't break.
नहीं मैं एक मिनट देख रहा.
Hamid is doing interviews.
Ooh,
Yeah,
extreme.
he's on a roll.
आज भैया he has one roadies interview चल रहे उसके अभी.
Yeah, I did a
That's crazy.
So by the way, we did ride the Java bike that Hamid got. Me, Michael, Taran, we all rode the bike. It's amazing.
Did anybody crash it?
Yeah, it is. No.
Good.
It was a wonder that no one crashed it, but yeah.
Okay, so more questions coming your way. Who had the biggest collection of shoes on roadies? Guys or girls? Guys and girls.
I think
सबसे ज्यादा जूते किसके पास थे?
footwear.
Which he brought and came. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
she was my
I think
roommate, so
so.
I know.
Who was your roommate?
Yeah.
Nisha.
Nisha.
So Nisha had the most number of shoes?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, post lockdown.
And amongst the guys, I think it's Hamid. It's Hamid. Amongst the guys,
Really?
it was
Yeah.
him. He had sneakers. Good sneakers, which I wore.
No, but then he also had only like 4 or 5
That's the match we
because most of the time he was wearing the white one.
4 or 5 is
We
like
know
half a
about
cookie.
people who we were in. We don't know about the other gang whether they had it or not because we never entered their room. So might be.
Yeah.
Sanjay might have
But
got the
we never
most
had-
number of sneakers. Who knows?
बातें नहीं करते थे. एक दूसरे के जूते शेयर नहीं करते थे.
Yeah. It's probably Sanjay.
Sanjay, yeah, maybe.
I know Sanjay had.
Yeah, I used to wear Hamid shoes all the time.
I don't remember Sanjay's shoes actually. I mean, I remember all of his costumes. He looked
Costumes.
like crazy good on air, but I don't know. Did he have like different shoes as well?
No, Hamid.
Yeah, he had some matching shoes.
Hamid, bro, Michael. Hamid had a lot of shoes.
He did.
So Hamid had.
Yeah.
Hamid gets in this one.
Who had the most amount?
I regret bringing the wrong
who had the most
shoes.
makeup.
Nisha. Nisha.
Ni-
Shreya,
Nisha was winning
man.
all the awards.
Nisha
Nisha,
and
my
Shreya.
I think I don't know because all of them had like a reasonably sized box full of makeup.
Okay.
So I've never compared.
There's a competition. It's Nisha and Sanjay. उन दोनों का एक मेकअप कैसे लग रहा है?
Oh,
ये
Oh,
कैसे है?
yeah, they're the ones who
yeah.
always used to sit doing it together.
Yeah.
What?
Sanjay always used to do
Sanjay?
Nisha's makeup. Well, in the early days, but then when they didn't get along well, he stopped doing it.
Why did they stop getting along well? Like, what caused the rift between Nisha and Sanjay? I don't remember.
I think
The
Nisha
groups were
realized that
divided.
Sanjay is a piece of shit.
Yeah.
So
What?
Oh my God! Shots
Prakash.
fired.
Nisha
Because
just
the groups
realized.
became pretty evident, I think.
What became pretty evident?
The groups became
The
pretty
group.
The
evident.
groups became evident. Okay, but Nisha wasn't in
Yeah.
anybody's group. Like Nisha was like trying to.
That maybe
Be good with
that's the
everyone.
reason they always thought that Nisha was on their side, but then she wasn't taking anybody's side. So that is the reason Sanjay's group was like, okay, she can't be trusted.
Okay.
And so she stopped doing her makeup.
Okay,
They even had a
let's
I
fight.
think she looks better once she stopped.
They even have a fight. जब हम लोग we were talking when me and Dren got voted out. Just before the vote out, they had a fight in front of the camera. Was that a real fight?
Yeah,
Yes
they
or no?
did, they did.
They
They
did have a
did, they
fight.
did, they did.
And sir, after fighting, like 20 मिनट हुए होंगे लड़ाई के बाद 20 मिनट बाद निशा देखना मेकअप सही है संजय निशा still talking. I'm like, nice. मजे आ गए.
Okay. Also, somebody's saying that we should take questions from the audience as well who's watching. So if anybody has any questions,
How was your
happy to answer.
experience, sir?
My
This
experience
first-
was,
Yeah.
you know, honestly, I missed the travel a little bit. I missed the travel. I missed the constant
I
movement.
miss the
because
travel a lot.
That's one of the constant on roadies. But also being in one place allowed us a lot of time to just relax and chill and kind of hang out a little bit more with the other leaders. I mean, we didn't get to hang out with the contestants. We never do. But
So what?
that
Where
was
was
what
the journey
was-
supposed to end if we were on a bike ride? If and if, where was the journey supposed to be end? Look, if not in Mumbai.
Oh yeah,
then
actually.
I think we were supposed to end in Amritsar.
Amritsar, Golden Temple, Bal Amritsar,
I think we were supposed to end somewhere in Amritsar. Yep.
Punjab.
Yep.
Oh, and yeah, I just remembered something. Like
Yeah.
one of the strangest things which I found, right? I actually expected that the leaders and the contestants would be interacting a lot more. I didn't realize that the only time we'd be interacting was when the cameras were rolling.
Well, we actually, you know, when we were all in cars and we drove from place to place, there'd be a lot more interactions in the car with your own teams. And if we were on the bikes more often, like when we were riding, we'd get to kind of hang out and chat around those sort of moments.
Yeah.
But
This time,
otherwise,
sir, there was minimal interaction.
No, but what is the reason they maintain that divide like that?
because it causes more confusion, you see.
Mhm.
Even we didn't know what was happening in the villa, in the tents. We didn't know what was happening in the camp. So when
Yeah.
somebody would say, "Sir, आज मैं target हूँ," you don't know whether that person is telling the truth or not.
Yeah, true.
As a leader, you're also trying to figure it out. कि यार ये immunity अभी मैं किसको दूँ? So it causes more confusion.
That's interesting.
Somebody
They
wants to
try
say,
to make
we
it
get to
more
see team
uncertain.
loyalty on
When-
Splitsvilla. Kevin's going and he's representing all of us, including me.
Yeah.
Kevin is going to represent
Yeah.
all of team loyalty in Splitsvilla. बस एक team
Yeah,
होता है.
Kevin is team worthy there.
So
Yeah,
let
one
me
guy
ask-
is enough.
Let me ask you about all the leaders. What's the first thing that or what's the most memorable thing that you remember about all the leaders? Let's start with Neha. What's the most memorable thing that you remember from this journey of interacting with her, or something she said or did or wore or reacted to?
Mm.
Silence. ये क्या है? Prakhar, you go.
Yeah, go ahead.
First, I wasn't a part of Journey that time, but I saw the episode where she was trying her best in the yoga tasks, where she was pushing her limits, and it was great to see a leader going so far and pushing her limits just to win a task. And second memory was when she gave the immunity to Sanjay. When Sanjay did a those are the only two
Yeah, I'm
movies
sure you'll not forget
You
that.
won't forget
I
that,
was
will
like-
you? No, you won't.
I was like, मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ, ये झूठ बोल रहा है, but कोई बात नहीं. It's your fault, ma'am.
My
Oh.
God.
Archie, what about you?
Yeah. That is something that we'll never forget, though that started before the journey, the whole
For me-
debacle. But
For me, I think.
apart,
Go ahead, Michael.
yeah. But apart from that, I think one of the funny moments was the cricket bat thing. Through the bat.
Oh, when the matka didn't break, or when I got whacked?
Yeah. No.
No, when the matka didn't break.
It didn't break, yeah. You the thing with matkas, man, some of them are like assholes. I mean, these matkas, like Michael said, this matki ka problem kya tha?
That matka had something out for me. It was like, screw you. Man, but then did you the episode, did you see the part where my card fell down?
Yes.
Like, there was one hole on the ramp which was this big.
This big
And
only.
somehow Well, somehow it has gone. It fell through that hole and it went down.
Yeah.
Mikey,
Kismat.
Like,
किस्मत की बात नहीं है
Kismat.
ये it's a bit to do with task awareness. What you should have done was every time you broke a pot, you should have looked through it.
Collected.
You just kept breaking pots, and then you're like, oh shit, I've got to collect the cards. Then you went looking for the cards. Whereas you should have broken a
Yeah.
pot and said, is there a card there or not? Broken another one, is there a card there or not? That
yeah,
technique could have been different.
yeah. And like I actually said, did you actually get to see what the equations were?
No,
No,
man.
nobody saw that.
I'm like, dude, what if the equations were like 5 into 4? Like that's
Yeah.
Yeah, or
that's
1 plus
simple.
2 or some shit like that.
I'm
Yeah.
like, nobody knows what the equations
No,
were.
but yeah,
Why
we
not?
also don't know.
Like,
I wonder.
The
okay,
funniest
Arushi,
part was
what do you have? We're talking about you and Neha,
Leaders.
man.
No, ma'am. I think for me, you said the most unexpected thing.
No, like what do you remember most about her, or unexpected, or anything? Just like a
I think that the first time I ever saw her changing a situation in a way that we never expected was when she said that dialogue ki, I am stabbed in the back and shot from the front.
yeah.
That was one time where I thought that she is so good with her tactics of changing a situation, which is profitable for her. Because
She
she said
is.
that
Yeah, she's a smooth talker.
for Pratibha, and then she gave the immunity to Pratibha, but it all seemed so like it was meant to be. It was like that. She changes situations like that using her words, and that is really commendable. That I would love to learn, I think.
She is amazing. You know the thing is, I almost get the feeling as a leader that when I'm competing against the other leaders, that with Varun and Prince, I've got to look out for them physically, right? They're going to do
Yeah.
something. They're going to be quick in a task. With Neha, you just have to be aware about everything that's going on.
Yeah. How is
Because
she's gonna change the situation, the most impossible situation, in a way that suits her so well. That would suit her.
yes,
For a
which is why
gang.
when it comes to when you're up against her, you have to constantly be on your toes because like
Yes.
what is she going to do now?
Yes.
She's a
Yeah.
master of words. She just
She's-
blends situation according to for her own benefit and a gang's benefit.
But
That's
of
what
all the
she's
things that have been said, on Roadies over the years, I think Neha last season said one of the most amazing lines, which is so true. I don't know who she was referring to or who she was talking to. I think she was talking to Tara, maybe.
Mhm.
And basically the line was that, there's a river and everybody wants to get to the other side of the river. Some people will step on stepping stones and get to the other side, and some people will be the stepping stones.
Ooh.
So which one are you going to be? I mean, I'm paraphrasing what she said. She said it beautifully. She said it brilliantly, saying, पार तो हर किसी को जाना है, मगर कुछ लोग will be the stepping stones, and some people will step on the stepping stones and get to the other side.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's the fact of the matter, especially in roadies,
Yeah, that's what happens. That's pretty much
for
what happens.
sure.
Hmm. Next leader.
Next leader.
Next
Prince.
question.
Prakhar, go ahead.
सिर्फ I have only done 2 tasks with Prince sir, and इसमें हमारा इंटरेक्शन क्योंकि इसलिए नहीं होता कि हम अंडरडॉग थे, बट Prince sir का मुझे एक ही याद है, when I asked him sir देखो मैं वाइल्ड कार्ड आया हूँ and I'm really scared कि यहाँ पे अगर मैं ज्यादा बोला and ऐसी चीजें हुई तो things can backfire onto me. He's like ना बेटा एक काम कर, लास्ट टाइम जब अरुण भी वाइल्ड कार्ड आया था उसने मुझसे ये बोला कि पाजी मैं ज्यादा बोल नहीं पाया शो में, ये अभी भी मिस करता है, तू वो चीज मिस मत करियो. सो दैट वाज वन मेमोरी ऑफ Prince sir. And in the PI, जब PI में सर ने मुझसे गाना जब आया सिंगिंग पानी दरा and he was joining me and he was cheering for me, that thing sir वो मेरे साथ रहेगी, that thing will remain with me for a while.
Okay. Arushi?
I think when we were performing the entertainment task, and I somewhere was scared because Prince has already done shows before, reality shows, and he's won them before. And he told me one thing after we were done with the performance, that he doesn't perform for, he performs for the audience. So his motive is not to win, but to perform for the audience that makes him win every show. That is one thing that really caught my attention and that actually helped me carve my own path
Wait, carry on, carry on. Somebody just on the doorbell.
in this journey as well. So yeah. Michael, what about you? Princess memory.
With I mean, I remember performing the task with him. He takes it very, very seriously, and that's a lot opposite of the kind of person that I am, because I'm always like, okay, let's do it. But then he's like on it all the time. He's like, yeah, he's always
He's
like
all
good
in.
and ready to go. Yeah, he's all in. So that's a really cool thing. But then I wish that I actually got a chance to like chill with
Perform
him
with-
more. But then,
yeah.
I mean, after that task which I did with him initially, I don't think I did anything else. Yeah, because after that I became the captain of Team Nikhil, and then that's it.
Damn. Sorry, Mike.
Nah, it's fine. I wouldn't have had it any other way though.
Shruti Sinha is here. Hi, Shruti. How are you doing?
Hello,
Okay.
Shruti.
What about Varun?
Wait, did I just see Kevin?
Is Kevin here? Is he talking shit? What about Varun? What about Varun?
I don't know.
Varun sir,
Varun,
I have
yeah.
this one memory of him. Me and Taran like, hit kisne bola? And then Varun sir goes like, hit maine bola.
Taran's face, man. Taran's face at that time was like, oops. Yeah, that was a fun.
Yeah, that was hilarious. But yeah, I think Varun is cool, man. Like everything. For his age, I mean, he's my age, but being where he's gotten is pretty cool.
I think
So
a
respect,
lot of the
respect.
roadies were able to relate with him really easily, and it made him.
True.
They wanted to be in his team. They wanted to kind of perform with him. They wanted to do stuff with him. He was very relatable and likable. I think everybody liked him.
True. Yeah, I don't think there was anyone who didn't like him at all. Even as
This
far
was
as the
his
audience is
first time,
concerned, I
and we
think
could see
everyone are
that
all for him.
this was his first time, and we could see that the amount of which roadies was important for us. It was the same for him to win the show because it was his first time and he had to prove himself the same in a similar way. So I think he performed more, or I would say he performed more and was more of like a senior roadie than a leader this time, I would say. Maybe.
Okay, what about Ranvijay? Somebody wanted to see my rings.
Like all of us. What?
Somebody wanted to see my rings.
Someone wanted to see his rings.
Rings. What about Ranvijay? What do you remember
That's
most
cool.
about Ranvijay?
His humor.
Yeah.
He's got a wicked sense of humor. Like when he told
And
Varun
Pratibha.
to season maybe finale nahi pahuncha tha. I thought it was very funny.
I
And a couple
remember
of times
the
he
one
was
thing
with some of the roadies as well.
yeah, man, he's just always saying something or the other, and like
he's savage.
he comes at you with a straight face, and then he just says something, and then he's just standing there waiting for your reaction.
So two things. When Pratibha said कि मुझे chance नहीं मिला, Ransa goes like, Pratibha, तुमको chance नहीं मिला. And second, when you are wearing a Sparta uniform, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, वो कर लेता हूँ, but आज perform नहीं करूँगा.
हाथ टूट गया.
Don't perform now. You're wearing a Sparta uniform, you are having muscles and everything, but जब perform करना था, नहीं sir, मेरे को लगी है, मेरा कंधा टूटा है, मेरे पैर में लगी है, ये वो. He's savage. So I think Kevin is here, and I will just coming back to you, sir. आप अपने बारे में पूछे. I have a lot to say about you, and then I'll bounce from here.
Okay, yeah, me. I wasn't going to ask about me, but okay, me.
So I will let Michael start this. Let Michael start this.
Man, I think my roadie's journey was definitely one of the most comfortable journeys out of all the contestants, and I think one of the biggest reasons was because of you. It was
Too freaking comfortable, Mike.
I mean,
Mike, wake up.
yeah, But it was good, man. I enjoyed, like, it was great, and being friends even after the show. That's one of the things that I actually wanted when I came into the show, and then it happened. So that's great.
Thanks, man.
Hmm.
Yeah, hanging out with you is easy. A little too easy.
Yeah, it is.
Arushi,
Prakhar,
I am to ready, but let Arushi speak first. Arushi is in Gola.
Arushi is
I would say,
loading.
generally I feel
Arushi,
shared football.
your net is all messed up. Okay,
Is it?
Prakhar,
Am I
you go.
audible?
You're audible,
So-
but your video's kind of jittering.